But bam, look at all this. So I'm making a second video so you guys can actually see what we actually have in here. So we have quite a bit of different types of cuts here. We have like sirloin tip steak. We have some ribeye steak. We got Nero here who wants all of this too. So some shank cross cuts.
So awesome. We got like 5 of these little filet mignons.
Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. And
Some of them are bigger than others. Look at that itty bitty guy.
It's hard for me to point because you don't realize that Nero's head's right there, so I can't even move the camera.
But look at this brisket, man.
Ooh, we got how many of them? Is it 2 or 3 of them?
Just one brisket.
One brisket. What's the other 2?
They're pot roasts.
Pot roasts.
And then we got a chuck roast.
Giant chuck roast you guys
and
saw
then
earlier.
This Pike's Peak, whatever this is. I have to look up this to see what that is.
Yeah.
And then we got about 15 pounds of ground beef.
Oh yeah.
And I love their ground beef. It's amazing.
Such an amazing haul. Our mystery box is a mystery meat box.
I love all of Colorado beef.
Oh yeah. See you guys next time.